Vinyl Windows Lexington offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows Lexington SC are designed to reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Custom vinyl windows Lexington SC allow homeowners to choose from a variety of styles and designs to match their unique aesthetic preferences. Window replacement services in Lexington SC are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Vinyl Windows Lexington ensures that any damage or wear is promptly addressed, extending the lifespan of your windows. Double-hung vinyl windows are a popular choice for their ease of use and classic design, making them a versatile option for any home. Affordable vinyl windows Lexington SC provide a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Vinyl window contractors Lexington SC are skilled professionals who can guide you through the selection and installation process, ensuring a seamless experience. Vinyl window suppliers Lexington SC offer a wide range of products to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. Vinyl window experts Lexington SC are knowledgeable about the latest vinyl window trends and innovations, helping you choose the best options for your home. Vinyl window solutions Lexington SC are tailored to address specific needs, whether it's improving energy efficiency or enhancing the overall look of your home. Vinyl window upgrades Lexington SC can significantly boost your home's value and appeal. Vinyl windows Lexington designs come in various styles, from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Vinyl window styles Lexington SC include options like casement, sliding, and bay windows, each offering unique features and benefits. Vinyl window options Lexington SC provide flexibility in terms of color, finish, and hardware, ensuring a customized look. Vinyl window features Lexington SC are designed to enhance functionality and performance, such as low-E glass coatings and multi-chambered frames for better insulation. Vinyl window benefits Lexington SC include durability, low maintenance, and resistance to fading, making them a practical choice for any homeowner. Vinyl window specialists Lexington SC are dedicated to providing top-notch service and expert advice. Vinyl Windows Lexington professionals are committed to delivering high-quality installations and repairs, ensuring customer satisfaction. Vinyl window enhancements Lexington SC can include features like noise reduction and improved security, adding value to your investment. Vinyl window innovations Lexington SC incorporate the latest technology to offer superior performance and energy savings.